video, I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple accounts. Now, this works the same way for all Supercell games. I'm just going to be doing it on Clash of Clans. And you can see right here, we just want to go to the settings icon, which is the gear icon in the bottom right hand corner. In doing so, you can actually see right here, there's an arrows icon. And you basically want to click on that. And when you click on that icon, what you're going to want to do is you simply want to just edit this option. Just click on the edit option right here and exit out of your account. Now, once you actually exit out of your account, you can basically see this option called Don't Play with Supercell ID will pop up when you bring to the home screen, and you basically want to click on that option and then complete the entire tutorial. It took like a few minutes for me, and you can see right here once you've actually completed the tutorial, and only once you have, you can actually just click on the gear icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, which is the settings. In doing so, you can just click on the Supercell ID banner at the top, and you can see it's disconnected right now. But when you click on this, you can actually get the run through, and we're basically going to set up a second account so we can actually play on our second account. Click on get started, and you can say create a new ID. If you want to be logged in, it will log you into the same account, and you're gonna have to redo this entire process. So we're gonna click on create a new ID, and you can basically choose continue, and you want to enter in an email that you want to be associated with this new Clash of Clans or Supercell ID account. And you can see once you've entered in your email as well as the verification code, you can basically choose your username. It's going to be completely random. You can change it later, or the profile picture, and click on continue, and you can actually see we can just change it right there. And once you've done that, you'll basically have your new Clash of Clans account. When we click on the X symbol right here, you can see we're logged into our account. And if you always want to switch back to your old account, you can click on the gear icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then you want to click on these like roundabout arrow symbol. In doing so, you can actually log into your old account using your other email that's associated with your other account. And you can see it'll basically just load up your current info. And when you refresh the game, you can see right there, bang, we now have two accounts. If you want to switch, you can click on the gear icon and then click on the switch again. And you can see they're both right there. One's at 0 trophies, one's at 8,000 trophies. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing.